What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, first of all, I would like to start this video by saying thank you from the bottom of my heart for the beautiful feedback that I got on my previous video, which was the get to know me tag. I really have poured my heart out, and now I feel like I've broke the ice so that I can continue doing these intros for my YouTube videos. If this is your first time on this channel, hello, my name is Alex. I'm a makeup artist based here on the beautiful island of Malta. Now, I know that the previous video was a little bit different than the one that you're gonna watch now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Hollywood makeup look, and to be quite more precise, this is going to be a makeup look based and inspired by the beautiful Kendall Jenner. Now, before I continue, I would like to say something. First of all, we all understand and we all know that the celebrities they're using I would say best hairstylists, best makeup artists, best skincare products. So it's not a secret that they do spend hell of money to look the way they look. But in this video I would like to show you how you can create a makeup look that can be easily achieved with both high-end and drugstore makeup products. Now, if you would like to see how we created this Hollywood makeup look on our beautiful model Fabiana, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I always start by cleaning the face with a baby wipe, and in my previous videos I mentioned that I always use baby wipes because they're very hydrating and they're not harsh for the skin. For Fabiana's skin I'm using the ordinary hyaluronic acid and I'm slightly massaging it into her face. Now I'd like to put some things straight up over here. Fabiana already came with skincare on her own face. What I'm doing is just I'm massaging the hyaluronic acid and I'm doing lifting effects because I would really like to wake her skin up and prepare the skin from within for the makeup process that is going ahead. For foundation in this tutorial I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, and you can see that Fabiana already has crystal clear face. Her skin is impeccable. And I do not go heavy with the foundation. As you can see, in fact you didn't see, but I had only 2 drops of the foundation, and with a good blend it will cover up the entire face and the skin will have a healthy glow. And this can be achieved also with a dupe of this product, of this foundation in fact, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. Onto her lips I'm applying Vaseline. Reason why is because I really like the jelly texture of this product. It will help to keep the lips moist. I'm also applying ever so slightly onto her eyebrows. I'm combing them up and I'm taking this pen by Benefit. Now this pen I got it at the airport. To be quite more precise, I got it in an airplane on an offer. I'm not so keen on using this kind of products, but with the jelly, with the Vaseline underneath, this was gliding like a butter and I was so happy how the eyebrows turned out. Okay, so it's time for concealer, and in this tutorial I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Now I want you to hear me out for something very important. I am not so keen on that kind of Instagram triangles under the eyes or things like that. I do use that technique from time to time, but when we are talking about Hollywood kind of look, I am strategically placing the concealer in the inner corner and slightly on the outer corner of the eye. And with a very good blend, I blend everything under the eye and it looks flawless. Now I left the entire blending process so you can see that it takes me up to 45 seconds to blend everything under the eyes. And I'm going to freeze the frame in a second so that you can see how exactly this looks like. Here we go. We are not done yet with the concealer. I am taking a lighter shade of concealer and I'm just tapping with my finger in the inner corner of the eye and slightly on the chin and on the forehead. Now why I'm using my finger? The warmth in my skin is going to press the concealer under the eyes, and since it's a very light shade, it will brighten up the under area even more. Now, when I'm done with the blending, I'm applying Laura Mercier translucent powder ever so slightly under the eyes, and now you can see how the powder will mattify the under eye. As a contour, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Honey, and I'm going to strategically apply it only in the perimeter of Fabiana's face, and I'm going to blend it with the same beauty sponge that I've used for foundation. Now, if you ask me why, it's because if I see any harsh line from the contour, I will be able to diffuse them with the other side where there are some leftovers from the foundation. Now, once I have the cream contour onto her face, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer to set this contour in place and give even more definition on her beautiful face. Now I have a fun part for you guys. I'm applying blush on her face, and you can see the footage, but hear me out what I would like to say. I'm using the Maxi Blush by Rimmel, and this is in the shade Wild Card. It's not a secret that celebrities like to keep a youthful look, and this they are achieving it with strategically applying, everything is so strategic here, a blush into the center of their face. Once I'm done with the face, I'm continuing with the eyes, and here it comes the fun part. I'm using Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter as an eyeliner, and what I'm doing is I'm applying this lip liner into the outer corner of her eye, and I'm blending it with a detailed small brush. Now this detailed brush will help me to diffuse the harsh edges of this lip liner, but will also help me to create a small diffused wing. Now I'm gonna get back to the wing, but first I would like to put some eyeshadows onto her eyes. Now I'm using the Orgy palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I'm starting with the first shade, which is called Safe Sex. I am applying this shade in the outer corner of her eye and just going slightly over the eyeliner. Now, as you can see, I'm blending this eyeshadow in the outer corner of her eye, but I'm also trying to get a little bit in the inner part. However, when it comes to the inner part, I'm going to use a lighter shade, and this is the shade Silk Robe. Now, Silk Robe is a very light shade, but it has a hint of brown in it, but it's so delicate that you can't really see it. With the MAC Cosmetics Semi-Sweet x9, I'm taking the black eyeshadow from this palette, and I am applying it with an angle brush exactly on the line just above Fabiana's beautiful eyelashes. And I'm winging this out ever so slightly to get that precise yet so sophisticated wing liner. Now here comes my favorite part, eyelashes. First I'm curling them up, and then I'm coating them up with mascara, and I'm using the Catrice, the one in the blue package. I can't really remember where it is, I was trying to find it, but she's gone. Now I'm using falsies, and in this tutorial I'm using the Ardell Wispies, and honestly by far they're my favorite that I've used. Hashtag not sponsored. Now it's the end of the eye. I'm just applying eyeshadow under the eye, and I'm continuing with the lips. Now I'm using my favorite lip liner, and this is the lip liner from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Cork. For all the nude lips lovers, this is by far my favorite, which has a really nice brown, coffee brown tone in it. Once I have a good amount of the lip liner, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Cherish, and I'm applying it in the center of her lips. Now, once I've blended the lipstick into her lips, I'm going back with the same lip liner Cork, and I'm shading the edges of the lips so that I can get that plump lip effect. On the last step, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus to set the makeup in place, and this is how we created this gorgeous look on our beautiful model Fabiana. Enjoy! There you have it, beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you like this makeup look. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and most importantly, please click that subscribe button. By clicking that subscribe button, you would really help this channel to grow even more so that we can do even better content. Until I see you in my next one. Bye!
Wanna